We are getting ready to launch the next flagship Z80 Ultra on October 22, and as per the teasers, camera is going to be the key selling point of this device. Nubia revealed the Z80 Ultra's key hardware details. The phone will have a 35 light and shadow monster 990 sensor engineered to capture finer details and better dynamic range, which is set as fifth generation. It will be paired with the industry-leading 18 ultra-wide lens and 15 cm telephoto macro module, forming a flexible triple camera setup. Nubia is leaning on AI-driven processing to boost image quality and photography enthusiasts. There'll be an optional camera kit to take things further. Nubia has already shared a few camera samples as well. The rest of the phone is ambitious with 6.85-inch X10 display running at 144 Hz, 2592 Hz PWM dimming for reducing eye flicker and eye strain. You'll get Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor backed with 16 GB of 5X LPDDR RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, and it comes with a gaming engine borrowed from Red Magic 11 Pro. It'll be packed a 7200 mAh battery with 90-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging. Whether it'll be launched globally is not known yet.